Namaste. So today I'll be talking upon eyes. Well, I've got a few requests, and also I felt the need and necessity in this time during the work from home pattern that we are following. So I thought of sharing in some tips and exercises that you can sit back, relaxed at home, and do, sparing a few minutes of your daily busy schedule. So, our five senses, that is a sense of touch, smell, taste, vision, and the hearing power that we have. Well, we should be very, very grateful for it. First and foremost important thing, followed by how can we maintain them so that they can help, or these senses can help us, our body can help us to live a long life and happily, so that they can provide us with their power. So this video is going to be useful and very helpful for those who are working from home, who are constantly sitting in front of their laptop, their gadgets and PCs, and also for the remaining lot of people, because our eyes tend to be very important for all of us, as we know its importance. So a few tips beginning from the day when it starts till the night. I'll be sharing which I follow and I have come across that are beneficial for me, so that you can also make use of them. Try making this a habit every day. When you wake up, wash your eyes with cool water. Later, when you're done with your morning routine, you can sit in a comfortable posture and position, and follow a few exercises to exercise the muscles in your eyes. Well, the muscles are very small, but as your eyes tend to fatigue, जब वो थक जाती है तो वो थकान ना हो और आप उसको पहले ही एक्सरसाइज कर दें, ताकि वो आपको पूरा आपका काम करने में सर्व करे, हेल्प करे, इसीलिए वो काफ़ी ज़रूरी है. So to beat the summer heat and the irritation and the burning sensation in the eyes, what you can do is take a cotton patch and dip it in cool water or rose water and directly apply it over your eyes. Or if you have time, what you can do is keep it in the refrigerator and use it after a few hours or so while you're sleeping at night, and just place it over your eyes and feel the coolness and just go to sleep. That in the morning you'll wake up very fresh, and you will feel the eyes are very fresh and energetic, and you will feel good. So let's begin. अच्छा, आपको ध्यान रहे कि अब जब एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं आपकी गर्दन मूव नहीं होनी चाहिए. योर नेक शुड बी स्ट्रेट एंड in one position. Only your eyeball should be moving. Okay, so in this manner, starting from right to left, पूरा एंड तक आपको लेके जाना है आईबॉल को, एंड स्लो स्टेडी मूवमेंट्स होने चाहिए. और वो मसल्स जो है उनमें एक स्ट्रेच, उनमें एक टेंशन आपको फील होगा. फील दैट टेंशन. ओके, इट इज़ गुड. Followed by the next exercise in which you're looking up and down, up and down. Notice my head is not moving, only my eyeballs are moving. Followed by the diagonal pattern, up and diagonally down in both the directions. And feel the stretch in the eyes muscles. Okay, पूरे एंड तक लेके जाइए और वापस से उसको बैक टू नॉर्मल, एंड देन कीप doing these exercises for 5 to 7 times. Followed by the next exercise in which you have to perform rotatory movements. पूरा आपको eyeball को circle बनाने हैं. ठीक है, eyeball से आपको circle बनाना है in this manner. Try covering every point in both the directions. You can go slow, that is even better. Notice my head is not moving, only my eyeballs are moving. You have to make circles with using your eyeballs. For the next exercise, sit in an erect posture. Take your finger right in front of your eye level and go close. पूरा अपना फोकस दोनों आई से उस फिंगर पे ही रखना है. मूव द फिंगर क्लोज एंड फार. पूरा फोकस आपका फिंगर टिप पे ही रहना चाहिए in this manner. Okay, and then using the other finger of the other hand, you have to move it. Okay, अब मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कर रही हूँ because I have to move behind. Okay, in this manner. ऐसे. ठीक है, 5 to 7 टाइम्स के लिए आपको इसे रिपीट करना है. Then the next exercise. So let's see how are you supposed to do that exercise. Keeping your thumb right in front of your both the eyes. Focus at the tip of the thumb, followed by a farmost point. Bringing your focus back at the thumb. Again to the farmost point. Back. In this way you have to repeat it for 5 to 7 times. Okay? Followed by the next exercise, in which you have to close your eyes firmly and then open eyes, so that you're exercising the muscles of the eyes and around the eyes, which are helping you to blink your eyes constantly without fatiguing. बिना थके वो आपको पूरे दिन आप जब इतना blink करते हो तो उसे हम exercise कर रहे हैं, उसे हम strengthen करेंगे. Okay, so for that, close your eyes and open your eyes. तो अगर आपको ये अकेले में करना है, इफ़ यू आर वेरी कॉन्शियस, सिट बैक इन अ place where there is no one watching you, and you can do this exercise and repeat it for 5 to 7 times. Well, let me tell you a few more tips for eyes. Regarding the posture, while you're sleeping or laying down back, how are you supposed to use your phone? Okay, there is nothing as a good and proper posture while using your phone while you're laying on your bed. What you have to do is sit back straight, upright, and you can straighten your legs down and you can use your phone with the backrest with the help of your pillows. Try using all your gadgets or while working on the PC or the laptop at a distance of 30 centimeters at least from your eyes. So while you're holding your phone or while you're reading something, try maintaining a distance of 30 centimeters. That is a one long scale. तो उससे आपकी आँखों पे प्रेशर कम पड़ेगा, स्ट्रेस और स्ट्रेन नहीं होगा आपके आइज़ पे, तो आपको you can work for longer time. Well, the next step will be, while you're using any gadgets, try taking breaks in between, and rather than going on straight for long durations use of any gadget or while reading or anything. So get up, do something, walk, take a stroll around, and then get back to your work again. So my advice to you all will be taking breaks in between. So these tips that I shared with you all today will help you to reduce the stress and strain on the eyes, and also the exercises will help you to strengthen the muscles, those tiny muscles in the eyes which we don't usually pay attention towards too. So help yourselves out. Let me know how do you feel in the comment section below.